Welcome to Infobooth 19 channel. Today we are going to see one breakfast recipe which is pumpkin puri. It's going to be slightly different and the taste also it's going to be very interesting because we are going to add pumpkin in the puri mixture and we are going to roll it out to the puri. So people who don't like to eat pumpkin also, if you prepare it in this way and give it, surely they will like the taste because the sweetness from the pumpkin and it gives the little bit different flavor, and the puri is going to be the star. So surely you all need to give it a try, and the pumpkin has lot of health benefits. Keep adding vegetables in your everyday food and different type of vegetables, add it in different forms so that it gets into our diet and everybody will start eating and start loving it. To start with, I have taken the yellow pumpkin, which is the small size I have taken. So the entire quantity of this I am going to make around 10 to 12 puris. 3 people can have this. So for this measurement I have taken this small size pumpkin, half size. So for here we are not going to use the skin portion, we are going to use only the flesh portion. So wash it thoroughly, remove all the seeds and remove the skin, and then you can chop it into random shapes. So after cutting into the random sizes, what we are going to do, we are going to put it in the boiling water and we are going to boil it for almost like 4 to 5 minutes. You don't need to boil too much, but 4 to 5 minutes till it gets 50 to 60% cooked. To that consistency we need to boil it. So in a water you can just add a pinch of salt and you can boil this pumpkin for 4 to 5 minutes. I couldn't cover the boiling step, just got missed. So once the pumpkin is 50 to 60% cooked, just cool it down, and in a mixture jar you can just add this pumpkin pieces and add a pinch of salt as per taste, and then you can add 3 to 4 green chilies because the pumpkin will give very much sweet taste. So to balance it we are going to add green chili. So based upon your spiciness level you can adjust the green chili. So now we will whip it nicely and we can bring it. You don't need to mix it to a smooth paste, little bit tiny pieces here and there, if it is there also it will be tasting very good. Now our pumpkin paste is ready. Now let's start rolling out the puri. So in a bowl I have taken 1.5 cups of wheat flour. So we are not going to use any maida here, we are going to make it in wheat flour only. So to this add salt as per taste only for the flour because for pumpkin already we have added salt. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, you can even add butter or even you can add ghee as well. So this is going to make the dough very softer. Now we can add this pumpkin, smashed pumpkin along with green chili, you can add it and then give it a good mix. So from pumpkin itself little bit of water will be coming out, so use that water to give it a mix, and once you mix completely then you can add the required amount of water. Now it's going to be the normal puri procedure. You can just make a tight dough. Do not make like chapati, just make it as a tight dough and leave it for some 10 to 15 minutes so that the flavor of the pumpkin gets into it completely. So after 15 minutes we can start rolling out the puri. So just take one small ball, dust it with flour. So when you're rolling, just ensure that you don't roll it very thin, it has to be thick, it should be in puri consistency only. In case if your pumpkin is not grinded well and if the pieces are big, then it will become very difficult to roll it. So ensure that it gets grind to at least to 80 to 90%. Then only it will be easy for you to roll it out. Now if you see to this level we need to roll it, thickness should be there. Now we'll start frying. So in a bowl or in a pan you can just add oil. Here I have added groundnut oil, you can just add any oil. So oil should be super hot, so keep it at little bit medium to high flame when you're frying your puri. If the oil is not hot enough, then the puri will consume lot of oil. So ensure that the oil is super hot and be careful. Slowly drop the puri and keep pressing it. Only if you keep pressing it, the puri will rise nicely and it will become more fluffy. Once it gets cooked one side, you can just flip it to the other side. One of the secret thing in preparing puri is you should not flip it more than one time. Once it gets cooked completely at one side, once you flip it, then you need to remove it from the flame. If you keep flipping, it will consume more oil. This is one of the tips. Now our puri is ready, so you don't need this potato curry and all for this as a side dish. Even with coconut chutney, spicy one, it is going to taste amazing. Surely you all need to give it a try. Since the taste is going to be a little bit different and we have added vegetable, it is very healthy and the family members will surely love this taste. Do give it a try. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Always stay happy, be positive, and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.